Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start BMW 5 Series without key step by step. Place the key fob against the start button and press the brake pedal firmly, then press the start button once to crank the engine. If the vehicle does not respond, reposition the fob near the cup holder, center console, or glove box and try again calmly to allow the system to read the transponder signal. If the simple method does not work, walk through a few quick troubleshooting checks to save time. Start by swapping in a fresh battery and testing a spare key fob to isolate the fault. Inspect the fob for obvious damage and remove any cases that could block signals. Also scan the cabin for devices that might interfere and move away from strong radio sources before retrying the start procedure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful guides for you. Quick recommendation. Life is too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after a long drive. The scent pairs surprisingly well with a fresh start. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety comes first when working with vehicle electronics, so always secure the car before trying alternate start steps. If basic steps fail, consider calling roadside assistance or a certified locksmith rather than forcing anything. Avoid DIY bypasses or aftermarket hacks that risk damage or void your warranty, and document what you tried to help a professional diagnose the issue quickly and accurately when help arrives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.